Hi, this is Deepak. Today we will learn how to repair skin tones in Photoshop in just 1 minute. Click on the adjustment layer icon and then choose selective color. As you can see, the skin is a bit too yellowish. We will target the yellow areas by choosing yellow from the drop down menu of colors. So, what do you want to do with the yellow areas? Just reduce the yellow areas, right? So it's solved. You might want to add a little magenta to it. You might want to add red to it, but there is no red slide. Don't worry, cyan is the opposite of red. So if you decrease the cyan, actually you are adding red that time. So always remember, cyan, magenta, yellow is the opposite of red, green, blue. CMY is the opposite of RGB. You may also want to target the reds, and you want to make the reds a little darker by adding black. Amazing! Always make sure that relative is activated and you are good to go. So simple. Here is the before and here is the after. Skin tone corrected. So you can easily change the skin tone in Photoshop in just 1 minute. Thanks.